I started studying Yiddish when I was probably, let's see, 4, and another 4 is 8. So I was probably about 8 years old. I started at a workman's circle shul, and I loved it. I mean, I was thrilled going to it. And my older sister, not my middle sister, although she may have gone too, my eldest sister went as well. And, you know, so that my father could sort of talk to us on a very low level in Yiddish. And I felt very proud that I was able to, you know, understand a little bit of what his circle were talking about, even though I wasn't able to be part of it really. But I felt that I was included in some way. And I think my father was very proud that his children were studying the language, because I think he hoped that one day we would be able to read his works. I was able to read some of his articles in the newspaper. His literature was a little bit above me. Even though I could read the language, I don't know if I was sophisticated enough to really understand a lot of what he wrote. But, you know, I would go in and look at some of his works at his desk and, you know, read it. But as I said, I don't know how much I could really get out of it.